I'm here again. So today I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom in your PC rather. So first you will open your browser. So as you can see, I already opened my browser. So you're going to search in the address bar Zoom Downloader. And you'll just wait for it to load. You're going to choose among here. So I will click this. It's actually a link. So it will bring you here. So if this page pop-ups in your screen already, you will see this download button. So you will download the Zoom client for meetings that you can use for your education. Let's click download. And then we will choose a file destination. I want in the desktop. This is the desktop ready. And this is the file name that you will find later. And just click save. And you will wait for it in the download area. So guys, now it's done. So I will click this to show it in folder. But if it does not pop up, you can click File Manager, Explorer rather. Click Desktop and then double click to start downloading the Zoom client. So this will take longer. So now it's downloaded in my PC. So let's sign in. And you can put your email address here and your password. You can also sign in with your Google account, with your Facebook account. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something. Bye.